Good evening, friends. We are extremely grateful that Honorable Mayor Sir and Siddesh ji, of course, are friends from the Coast Guards and the Navy, also our Deputy Mayor. Thank you for coming and gracing this occasion. We would like to, we welcome them. We would now like to have a few awards given to the exhibitors who are here. Any one of you could do the honors of giving the awards to some of the exhibitors. If Sir has to leave, then yeah. So if Sir has to leave, then we'll request him to say. Sir. Sir, आप बैठिए. Sir, if you want to say a few words, just observation. No. Hi, sir. You forgot to give the award. You know, we did a program.
We have the State of Goa Award being presented to Shri Rohit Monsaratji, the Mayor of Corporation of City of Panji. A round of applause for the Honorable Mayor. We would now like to felicitate Shri Sanjeev Naikji, the Deputy Mayor of CCP. A round of applause for the Deputy Mayor as well. Following which, we'd like to felicitate Shri Siddesh Naikji, the President of North Goa Zilla Panchayat Adhyaksh. A warm welcome, sir, and thank you so much for coming. A round of applause for Shri Siddesh Naikji. We'd also like to felicitate the Deputy Inspector General, Manoj Bhatia ji. From the Indian Coast Guard. And the Lieutenant Commander Akhil Satish from the Indian Navy. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much. Moving on, we now have the exhibitors whom we would like to felicitate. We would request Shri Siddesh ji if he could do the honors and felicitate our exhibitors. Starting which, we have A.H. Wadia Boat Builders. A.H. Wadia Boat Builders, do we have a representative? Please come, sir. Following A.H. Wadia, we have Aquasail India.
Look here, ma'am. Ma'am.
Following A.H. Wadia Boat Builders, we have Aquasail India. Come. Following Aquasail India, we have Boatcraft. Do we have a representative from Boatcraft? Please come. Following Boatcraft, we have Dolphin Eco Recreation. Request you to be near the stage area, Dolphin Eco Recreation. Dolphin Eco, please come. Do we have a representative, Dolphin Eco? George Maito Industries Private Limited. George Maito Industries Private Limited.
Sir, look here.
GMG Techno Trades Private Limited, Multi-Steer. GMG Techno Trades. Please come, sir. Gosalia Rubber Industries. Do we have a representative? Gosalia Rubber Industries. Innovative Resins Private Limited. Do we have a representative? Innovative Resins. K2 Cranes and Components Private Limited. Innovative. Please come, sir. Following Innovative Resins, we have K2 Cranes and Components. Any representative from K2 Cranes? Konkan Marine Cluster, do we have a representative? Leicester Technologies India Private Limited, we have Leicester coming up. Following Leicester, we have Litmus Marine Innovation Private Limited. Following which we have Marine Solutions. Do we have a representative? Marine Solutions. Following which we have Marine Cart India.
Sir, look here.
Following Marine Cart, we have National Institute of Water Sports. Do we have a representative? National Institute. Come, sir.
Sir, look here. Sir.
Following which we have Navicom Technology International Private Limited. Navicom Technology International. Following which we have Navneet Marine Private Limited. Do we have a representative? Navneet Marine Private Limited. Come, sir, please come. Following which we have Ocean Blue Boating Private Limited. Following Ocean Blue, we have Perfect House Private Limited. Do we have a representative? Come, sir, please. Sail Safe Marine. Following Perfect House, we have Sail Safe Marine. Sail Safe Marine. Following which Private Limited. Tough Ropes. West Coast Marine Yacht Services Private Limited. West Coast Marine Yacht Services Private Limited. Rodrigues Deep Cleaning. Do we have a representative?
Sir, look here. Done.
Rodrigues Deep Cleaning. Social Merchandise. Do we have a representative? Social Merchandise. Shipyard Association of Goa. Shipyard Association of Goa. Do we have a representative? Dolphin Eco Recreation. Tritech and Cleaning Systems Private Limited. Inviting Sri Joseph Daishi to say a few words about the Best of India State of Goa Awards and the Goan Treasure Awards that we would now have.
So sir, this is the Blue Awards which we give for excellence in any water-based activity. And now we have a select number of people who are Goans and who have made a mark for themselves, which we are recognizing. With the Best of India, we have the awards, the Best of India State of Goa Awards, and I'll request them to say a few words. In fact, this came up with Macoas, who's been a passionate Goan and an entrepreneur that takes the spirit of Goa, literally the Feni spirit of Goa. So thank you, Mac, for this wonderful opportunity. And we will invite Elizabeth to ask them to give away these awards.
We'd like to begin with felicitating Commander Abhilash Tommy with the Master of the Blue Ocean Award. We recognize a naval commander whose exceptional bravery and mastery of the seas have earned him the highest accolades. Miss Madhushri Nag will receive it on his behalf. Please come, ma'am. A round of applause for the Master of the Blue Ocean Award. The recipient is Commander Abhilash Tommy. His extraordinary achievements to solo circumnavigate the globe epitomize the spirit of maritime excellence. Following which we have felicitating Miss Shweta Solyekar with the Guru Shishya Parampara Award. Miss Shweta Solyekar. She is a brilliant artist and educator who has inspired countless individuals with her art drawn from her vibrant childhood memories of the ocean. A round of applause. Following which we have Mr. Tej Naik, recipient of the Global Swadeshi Goan Award. Mr. Tej Naik. Moving on, we have Mr. Donald Coelho for the Windsurfing Dronacharya Award. We now turn our attention to a true icon in the world of water sports, Mr. Donald Coelho, recipient of the Windsurfing Dronacharya Award. Please come, sir. His achievements in windsurfing have set benchmarks and inspired generations. Following which we have Mr. Francisco Fernandez, Pele, Ambassador of Waves of Goa Award, a much-loved figure whose dedication to the waves has made him an ambassador of Goan maritime culture. A round of applause. Following which we have Coach Rahman Hubli, recipient of the Squash Dronacharya Award. We have a few exhibitors who couldn't come here earlier. Gosalia Rubber Industries, K2 Cranes and Components Private Limited, Maritime Cluster. Sir is also receiving the award on behalf of Shipyards Association of Goa.
And now, sir, I'd like to dedicate and give this award to a dear friend who would have been here, Honorable Shri Shripad Naikji. He has been with us right through this journey of about 20 years, and a great help. Very much we appreciate, and we would have loved him to be here, but his son is here, and we'll ask DIG to present the award on his behalf to his son.
A round of applause. The award accepted by Shri Siddesh Shripad Naikji. Thank you so much, sir.
He's there. Come. Street Providence, please come.
Sir, look
This is
here.
the NGO that does a lot of work. Thank you. And now to close and say a few words, his observations, none other than our dear friend Mac was.
Thank you, Joseph. I got associated with the Trinity group and gentleman Joseph in the spirit of being a catalyst. So when I knew that this boat show was brought to Goa for many years, I knew he was adding a lot of value to Goa tourism, Goa economy, and the Goan leisure verticals. It's my pleasure to be in the midst of so many Faujis over here. I was in a military school for 7 years, but my father said, I need you more than the country needs you. So my Feni Bannichala. My synergy for this event is the Goan Treasure Award. So my company's emotion is to celebrate the spirit of Goa, which is Feni, which we have been doing in the spirit of Swadeshi, Atmanirbhar, and everything what is proudly made in India. So in this spirit, we just thought we need to celebrate the unsung, under the radar personalities within Goa, and that's how we chose on the 5 awardees from Shweta Solekar. Shweta Solekar is a teacher as well as an artist by herself. She emotes the spirit of Guru Shishya Parampara. So that's why the Guru Shishya Parampara award goes to Shweta Solekar. Pele, who doesn't know Pele? Pele is a brand ambassador of the Goan waves. Everyone falls in love with him. The Russians, the Ukrainians, the Americans, the celebrities, everyone falls in love with him. He's a true soul of Goa. When you go to the beach, when you meet him, he celebrates everything what is Goa. Good thoughts, good words, good deeds. Cheers to Pele for the award. Donald Coelho. Donald Coelho is a friend of mine, and he has been the beacon of taking windsurfing and building stars in India. I must mention a point. His daughter was number 1. My daughter was always at number 2. But even when he was the father of his daughter, he used to pay more attention to my daughter in windsurfing, who he made second in India. So God bless and Jai Hind to such devoted soldiers of India. Unfortunately, we do not have the big Fauji hero, Commander Abhilash Tommy, but we had the pleasure of having his mother-in-law with us. Madam Abhilash is a hero of Goa, the hero of our country, and a true blue Jai Hind man. Greetings to you, Abhilash. Coach Rehman Saab is another soldier and a dronacharya of Scotch. Unfortunately, he is busy training his students. He works in tandem with the Navy. So, respects to such soldiers of India who celebrate the spirit of taking India shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. We now request, sir, would you like to say a few words? Just general observations.
Dignitaries on of the days and friends. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate the organizers for organizing such a beautiful event, because coastal state like Goa, and which is also a tourism state, needs events like this, because our Goans are mainly into these businesses like water sports, marine, all the businesses related to marine industry. And such kind of events where all the products, solutions, then everything which is showcased here is very much useful for them in all the ways. As I have understood, this event also focuses on green power. So that is the future, and I think, as I said, coastal states like Goa should have all these facilities, and all the Goans will be very much thankful for such type of events organized in Goa, because they will benefit from this, because major Goans who stay or who are dependent on all these marine activities will definitely benefit from such kind of events. I thank everyone for giving me this honor, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, आप भी थोड़ा
Good evening, esteemed guests, all friends. It has been really honor to be here, and attending this exhibition has been an experience, because it provides us also interaction with industry as well as the local populace that we have here, and provide us an integration platform so that Goa state and the coast remain safe and clean. They are what we are committed for as a Coast Guardian, and I'm sure we'll be taking it forward. Thank you.
With these few words, we'll wrap up this. Is she come? Okay, then can just one more award to be given.
We'd now like to felicitate Mr. Tej Naik. On behalf of him, his father, Mr. Nana Naik, is accepting the Global Swadeshi Goan Award. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. A round of applause. Also felicitating Coach Rehman with the Squash Dronacharya Award. Dr. Vikas would be accepting it on behalf of Coach Rehman.
Sir, look here.